Okay, good morning everyone. Am I audible? Am I audible? My screen is visible to you. In the last lab, we have completed the mark sheet of three students. That is our practical number three. So today we are going to just 1 minute. Okay, today we are going to learn a new thing that is the loops. So as you know, the types of loop in a C language, similar way, we are going to discuss that concept here. The difference is only in the syntax. Let me write the first basic loop while while into brackets condition in bracket some expression and increment or decrement operator. Initially, we have to initialize the variable. This is our basic structure of what while loop in a C. Similar way, in a shell script, initialization will be there, while will be there. Let me write below this so you can differentiate it. Uh, Initialization is there, then while is there, then space, opening curly instead of round bracket we need to put a square bracket. Into that then put a condition, and then instead of opening curly bracket we need to write the do, and uh, here we need to write some just one moment. Okay. Here we need to write some expression and increment or decrement operator. And this loop we need to write done keyword. This is the syntax in a shell script. Initialization while into a square bracket we have to write the condition, then instead of opening curly bracket write the do, and then expression and increment decrement, and then done. Let me give you one example. Let's say I is equals to 0. Keep one thing in your mind: whenever we are initializing something, we are initializing any variable, at that time no need to put a space. But whenever we are writing while condition, at that time we need to put a space. Let's say let's print 1 to 10. Here $I plus $I less than 10. So it will print 1 to 10. Then put a space. Here do. Here I will write $I to print the value, because spelling is $I. Then increment or decrement operator. Generally we are writing I plus plus, but here I plus plus, it means we can write can we write this thing as I is equals to I plus 1, right? I am asking to you, yes or no? Hello, am I audible properly? Is it visible? You can respond yes. So आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, because this is the shorthand operator I plus plus. ठीक है. So here I is equals to I plus 1, this is the expression, so you can write this thing in a both way. I is equals to I plus 1, that is our expression. So expression command through आप लिख सकते हो कैसे. So expr command space $i space plus 1, and this already we have did in addition. So ये आपका हो गया increment operator, I is equals to I plus 1. So by using expression command you can write or else. आप I plus plus लिखना चाहते हो, then you need to write additional command, that is the let into bracket, sorry not into bracket, in double quotation you need to write let I plus plus. Okay, right now for running purpose I am commenting by using the hash sign. Then this is the increment and then done. Let's run it. No such file or directory. The reason behind this is this operator less than is not working right now. So remember this thing in a some online compiler, less than, greater than, these operators are not working properly. So instead of that, in a Linux we have a provision, that is LT. LT for less than. LT for less than. Let's run it. So we got the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So now let's remove this comment and put the comment line here, and let's check whether let I plus plus is working fine or not. Yes, it is working fine. Okay, so by this way you can put the increment. Okay, and one more thing. Um, for less than sign you can put less lt. For greater than sign, what we can put? Can anyone? Less.
GT.
Yes, good. GT. For less than equals to less GE. Sorry, less LE. Less than equals to. Similar way, LE. Similar way. Okay. That's a keyword. So similar way, greater than equals to, that is less GE. So in a compiler we can use des LT, des GT, des LE, des GE, and equals के लिए des EQ. Clear? So this is our while loop. Now for for loop we have a two syntax of for loop. We have a two syntax of for loop. One is the predefined value, set of values are given to you. Let's say for variable name is I. Here you can take any variable name, A, B, C, D, A, whatever. For I, in here you need to give the set of value by putting a space. Let's say 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space, 5. Then do, then echo is $I. Then no need to write the increment operator because set of value is predefined. So simply put the done. Let's run it. Okay, here it is a I. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I write here 2, 4, 6, 8, then it will display that value. So this is the another syntax of for. Let's see the another syntax of for. For double round bracket, our normal syntax, initialization I is equals to 0, semicolon, I less than equals to 10, I plus, sorry not 1, I plus plus. तो हम लिखते हैं सी में ऐसे ही, नॉट ब्रैकेट सॉरी डू, यहाँ पे लिखेंगे हम इको डॉलर आई, यहाँ पे लिखेंगे डन. लेट्स रन इट. Yes, it will display 0, 1, 2, 3, 10. So here in this for syntax, it will work less than sign, greater than sign, but in a while, in some compiler, it will support, and some compiler will not support that thing. So we need to check this. Clear? Up to this, any doubt, any query? So here it is the concept of loop. So now your first task, all of you need to all of you need to print 10 to 20. All of you need to print 10 to 20 by using all these three loops, while, for, and for. Okay, this is your first task. After few minutes, I will get back to you, and I will ask to share your screen, and I will give you a next practical. Okay, so right now I am stopping my screen. If you have any query, any doubt, then you can ask. Any query, any doubt? No doubt, then go ahead. Once you done all this three exercise, 10 to 20, put a message done into a chat. Once you done all these three, 10 to 20, then put a message done into a chat. Randomly, I will check the screen of your REPL based online compiler. So once you done, then put a message into a chat. Randomly, I will check. Okay, good. Two student has completed. Fine. Okay, let me give you the next one. Those who have done this thing. You can see the output. This type of output I need. The fourth cell script. I'm pasting the definition into a chat. Write a cell script to display multiplication table of given number. So in output you can see first it will ask to enter any number on the keyboard. So whatever number you have entered, it will generate the multiplication table like this: 5 into 0 is equals to 0, 5 into 1 is equals to 5, 5 into 2 is equals to 10, like this. So all of you need to generate multiplication table for any number, right? Are you getting? Are you getting? Okay, then go ahead for this one. Those who have done 10 to 20 all these three exercises, they may continue with this next one, multiplication table. Once you done this multiplication table, put a message into a chat.